Unlocking success: how to get more clicks on Facebook Marketplace listings. Are you struggling to get your Facebook Marketplace listings noticed? Don't worry, you're not alone. But fear not, because today, we're diving into some proven strategies to help you maximize your clicks and boost your sales. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're ready to take your Facebook Marketplace game to the next level, you're in the right place. Let's get started with our top tips for getting more clicks on your listings. Tip number 1. Optimize your titles and descriptions. When creating your listing, make sure to use clear and descriptive titles that accurately reflect what you're selling. Include important details such as brand, size, condition, and any unique selling points. And don't forget to use keywords that potential buyers might be searching for. Tip number 2. Use high-quality photos. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and it's true. Make sure to take clear, well-lit photos of your items from multiple angles. Show any imperfections upfront to build trust with potential buyers, and consider staging your items to make them more appealing. Tip number 3. Promote your listings on other platforms. Don't limit yourself to just Facebook Marketplace. Share your listings on your personal Facebook profile, in local buy or sell groups, and even on other social media platforms like Instagram or Twitter. The more exposure, the better. Tip number 4. Price competitively. Do your research and see what similar items are selling for on Facebook Marketplace and other platforms. Pricing your items competitively can help attract more potential buyers and increase your chances of making a sale. Tip number 5. Be responsive and courteous. When potential buyers reach out with questions or inquiries, make sure to respond promptly and professionally. Providing excellent customer service can help build trust and encourage buyers to click on your listings. And there you have it, folks. 5 actionable tips to help you get more clicks on your Facebook Marketplace listings. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, so be patient and persistent. Thanks for watching and happy selling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care.